look how much hair I lost. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Myaa Miliani. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to be taking down my 1-month-old box braids, knotless braids, whatever. They were cute, but I cut these braids maybe like 2 days ago because like my edges, my poor edges, they were being pulled. My hair was like down to it was really long. So when I would sleep, I would have to put it up in a bun, ponytail, whatever, and like my edges would like be getting pulled. I feel like when I take these out, like my edges are gonna be so weak and non-existent. Look at these roots. Look at the edges.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat, leave no one else. You're all I need, personality, everything you do.
Show you guys. Look at the roots. Like, what the heck? Yeah.
I got a push on you, that's true. I'm digging you, you make me believe.
I got my comb, and now it's time to start taking these out. Hopefully you guys aren't hearing what's going on in the background around me. It sounds like they're mowing a lawn and kids are like outside screaming. So hopefully I am loud enough so that you guys can hear me. And it's kind of giving bald spot. I'm not liking the way my hair is feeling at all. I'm not liking the way it's looking at all. It's just not giving. I haven't watched it yet because I wanted to finish up the video for you guys. So I'm gonna go try to wash my hair really quickly. The bald spot. So I'm already feeling like I'm gonna lose. Like, that looks crazy. Hold on. That looks super crazy. And don't tell me it's supposed to look like that, because y'all know it's not supposed to look like that.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Come chase these feels and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
I'm back from washing my hair. So one thing I can say is that I was expecting to lose way more hair than I did, but I promise you it's the conditioner. It made my hair so soft to a point where I really didn't have any like knots and tangles in it when I was washing it.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking.
Okay, so to moisturize my hair, I'm going in with my Shea Moisture Intensive Leave-In. Weird. Are we gonna question that?
early access to Wayfair's Black Friday sale. Save on seasonal decor from $30. Washable.
It's not that I want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of. My highest from a rocket now. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up just on replay. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna go deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my voice low, low, low. Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, deep.
On this side I didn't lose as much, but this side. Okay, that is the end of this video, you guys. I love you guys, and I would love to see you guys in my next video.